Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy to make deep fried conch recipe. So we're going to start today's recipe off by tenderizing our conch, and then we're going to blend all our natural ingredients together. Stay tuned. So now you just want to butterfly your conch meat. We're just going to do it like this, split it down in the middle a little bit, and then we're going to use our kitchen, mallet, kitchen hammer, to tenderize it. Or if you have a pot, you could use a pot as well. Any heavy kitchen item, you could use that. Now we're gonna grab a plastic wrap, cover our conch. Then we're gonna start tenderizing it. Now we're just gonna hammer it down as flat as possible. All right, guys, it's looking good. This is it. Flip them over. Repeat the same step. So now I'm just going to add some water, about a cup of water, Scotch bonnet pepper. Just remove the stem, drop it in, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 lime. Just going to squeeze that fresh lime juice right in. And this is going to be our nice little quick marinade for the conch. Parsley. Close it up. Then start blending. All right, that's it. So these are my ingredients, my seasoning, dry seasoning that I'll be using. I have some all-purpose seasoning right here. A little bit of Jamaican curry powder and some Old Bay seafood seasoning. So we're just gonna start off by adding our Old Bay. We're not gonna add too much Old Bay because it's a little bit on the salty side. Just a little bit, not much. A little bit of curry powder. The curry powder is gonna add a nice little flavor, nice little turmeric flavor to it. Time to add our all-purpose seasoning. This is about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Then we're gonna add our natural blended seasoning, just like that. After you rub it in, guys, we're just gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes, just to soak up some of that natural, herbs and spices, and it's gonna be good. So we're just gonna let it sit, guys, for 30 minutes to marinate. And after that, we're gonna drop it directly in the flour and then into the oil. Yes, guys, so we're gonna add a little bit of salt to our flour, a little Szechuan seasoning. Mix it up a little. We want to make sure our flour is nicely seasoned as well, So we're gonna go like this. Make sure both sides are fully covered. Dip it back in again. And then back into the flour. It's gonna be so good, guys. And once our oil is hot enough, then we'll go ahead and drop our conch right in. I'm just gonna fry my conch for about 3 minutes per side. Flip it over. So after the first 3 minutes, this is what my fried conch is looking like. 3 minutes per side and we should be good. So that's a total of 6 minutes. And you wanna fry it at medium-high heat. This way it's gonna allow our conch to fry nice and slow. Yes, guys, so after you remove your fried conch from the oil, you want to place them on some paper towel just to soak up some of that extra oil. After that, we're just going to put it on the plate and enjoy. Stay tuned. All right, we're just going to top it off with some sriracha sauce, some creamy sriracha. Sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top. All right, that's it, guys. So we're going to slice it up and do a quick taste test. Woo! Time for that taste test. Let's go. All right, nice and tender. All right. This is what it looks like, guys. Nice and steamy, nice and tender, We're gonna take a bite. See what we're working with. Wow. Guys, let me tell you, no lies. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is perfectly cooked, well done. It's not chewy at all. Usually you'd have to boil it, depending on the style of cooking you're doing. You boil it and then fry it afterwards or whatever you're doing with it. But this is perfectly cooked, not to mention the texture, the breading and all that good stuff. I can taste the Scotch bonnet pepper, especially the lime juice with all the natural herbs and spices blended together. Everything is perfectly done, perfectly cooked. I'm speechless right now, but all I can say, guys, is definitely try it out and you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.